Hi, I want to share a recipe for a fragrant and very tasty dish, baked potatoes with mushrooms in pots. The dish can be cooked in any heat-resistant dish, but potatoes in pots are much tastier. Grate cheese on a coarse grater. Cut the washed and peeled potatoes into small cubes. Put the potatoes in a pan with butter, add salt, spices, and fry for about 5 minutes. Onions, cut into small cubes. Fry the onions in vegetable oil until light golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes. Cut the champignons into slices. Add champignons to the onion, pepper, salt and fry for about 5 minutes. Put half the fried mushrooms in pots and add a spoonful of sour cream. Put the potatoes in the next layer. Then put the mushrooms out again, and add water or broth to a quarter of the pot. Add sour cream and grated cheese. We cover the pots with a lid and send them to the oven. We bake potatoes with mushrooms at a temperature of 160 to 180 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. Until tender, the potatoes should be soft. Potatoes with mushrooms in pots are ready. When served with this dish, pickled cucumber works well. Bon appétit! Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.